In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add button in Framer. We'll focus on adding a menu button, and everything you learn here applies to other button styles too, including cases where you're working with a specific button image. By the end, you'll have a clean clickable button on your canvas and a clear understanding of where to find and choose the right component inside Framer. Start by heading to Framer in your browser and opening the project where you want the button to live. Once your canvas is visible, get familiar with the workspace. Your main design area is in the center, layers sit on the left, and the controls and component options are available along the top and on the right. This quick orientation helps you move confidently as you add the element. To bring in new elements, open the Insert options. This is where Framer keeps its ready-made components, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. When the Insert panel appears, you'll see categories and a search bar. The categories help you browse, while the search bar is handy if you already know what you're looking for. Within the Insert panel, look for the Menus category. Menus contain navigation elements and menu-related components, including preset menu buttons. Using menus is a great way to maintain consistent navigation patterns across your project because these components are designed to be both flexible and visually coherent with typical app and website structures. Inside menus, choose the specific menu button you want to add. Clicking the option will place the component onto your canvas. You'll see it appear where Framer defaults or near your cursor. From there, you can move it into position so it aligns with your layout, like the top right corner for a typical hamburger button or wherever your design calls for it. As soon as the menu button is on the canvas, the right-hand properties panel will show its adjustable settings. This is where you can fine-tune visuals such as size, spacing, and icon style to match your brand or design language. If you're working from a specific button image, the same process applies. Select the variant that supports images, then adjust the visuals in the Properties panel so your custom graphic looks crisp and intentional. Keep an eye on alignment and spacing to ensure the button feels balanced with nearby elements. Consistent padding and a clear visual hierarchy will make the button easier to spot and use. When you're satisfied with its placement and appearance, you're all set. The button has been successfully added to your design. That's it for adding a button in Framer. Thanks for watching and happy designing!